Hello guys, it's Elkskins. Today we're gonna pull apart the Custom 6 that I put together, a while back. And it was last year sometime. It hasn't sold yet. And anyway, there are gonna be more videos on it, but for right now we're gonna pull the engine. And go through it a little bit closer. I'm going to pull the head and we're going to see what the condition is of the internals because it's smoking. So, I mean, it smokes rather heavy if you put 30 weight or 1030 in it. So, we'll go from there. And I also want to show you something. Alright guys, this thing does a lot of sitting, like I said. You see that line? That's ethanol in the gas. Still run, but that's a sediment bowl, and that's there for a reason. It's like a fuel filter, but better. Alright guys, I got the head off finally. But there is a lot of wear. That's for sure. I mean, bore don't feel too bad. And at least up there. I mean, the cross hatches are gone. I bet you if we had a piston and some rings, this engine will be good. But let's check the valves. Oh yeah, she needs a valve job. I'm pretty sure. Nope, that one's tight. Okay, that one's tight. So those are good. Little slight groove, and if you can tell, the stem is a little wet, so it's definitely got a valve seal leaking. But that's alright. So, well, at least we know the condition of the engine. It is war, but it's rebuildable. So, alright guys, I'm going to get the other engine out of the lean-to, bring it over here, and we'll go from there. Alright. Okay, there is some buildup here and there on this engine that we're going to be putting on, okay? But, overall, it looks okay. The oil in the bore, been there since I got the engine back here. So, if there was a lot of excess wear, it would have drained that oil. And it stayed up there pretty good. So, I think this engine will be okay. I will clean up the cylinder, the block a little bit and whatnot. We are not going to be putting a brand new head gasket in this thing. We're just going to reuse the old one. It's no problem. I don't want to see in the comments, oh, you just ruined it. Hey, you know what? If it blows a head gasket later, then I will put a head gasket on it. But for right now, it's fine. So, I don't even know if this engine sparks or what's the history of this engine. So, we will have to look at it more. So, and I see that this one's supposed to have a fuel pump. Oh well, I can block that off. So, this is off of a 6910XL. Whereas the engine that we're pulling off was off of a 6810XL. So, alright guys. Let me get the dolly over here, get that engine over there, and start cleaning it up. So I got the cylinder head cleaned up, everything torqued down. I will have to remove some of the bolts, of course, but for temporary, it's fine. I'm gonna probably put a piece of hose and put a bolt in the end of that hose to keep the pressure, moving. So, and remember the other cast iron 10 horse, it's got a, I'm pretty sure it's got a clogged breather. I have to check it, but it's definitely reason why that one probably was pulled off, because the guy said the oil was going all over the place. So, yeah. Even though it ran good, I popped the bowl. Wow. So, I'll clean that up and put it back together. Okay, guys, so this is as far as I'm going to go on this tonight. I'll clean up the tools, and we'll continue tomorrow night. Basically, we ID'd the problem, so that's good. I got to get a bowl gasket kit for this. I'll probably just get a float kit. And probably get away with that plastic and put a brass one in it. Or I may just leave that in there until I have a problem and just leave a brass one on the shelf. But I don't think Terrell sells the bowl gaskets just by themselves, so we'll have to see. I do have to take this engine over there sometime, get the pulley off, and the pulley off the other engine. So this weekend, that other engine will end up on here to see how it runs. Then we'll go from there. I have parts coming for my computer and parts coming for the 16.6, so it might be continuing on this. It might be on the 16.6, so, and if the computer parts show up, I'll be spending a day messing around with that. So, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.